Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix screenshots not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again, click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, allow palm swipe to capture. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on advanced features, click on motions and gestures. Here you will see palm swipe to capture, and if you want to allow palm swipe to capture, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, palm swipe to capture allow from your phone. This is how you can fix screenshot not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.